No, it'd be so mean. Get a smaller piece.
Aw. Do the all or nothing with my ball.
It's not bad.
Just go down. It's okay.
He can't.
Take the slide, buddy. I got way more.
Hold on. Where do I want to go? Get down.
That's terrible.
Matt, will you go down?
How do you get up?
You changed your swastika into a sperm?
Did you take my picture?
It's a
No, not yet. Go down so I can take a picture.
Oh, it just looks like a really big sperm.
It is a balloon.
Like a manly sperm. It's like,
What is a balloon?
That was a sperm.
There's another ball. He's another ball.
Sperm.
nice.
It could be whatever.
Don't hit me now.
Yeah, he's going down.
You go down.
Kind of decade.
Now watch here. Here's some more.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, you got like a different color. Sweet.
No. No.
Well, you got like sand, man.
Oh my god. I need to get away from that because it just like splattered all over me.
Oh, that was
Whoa. I'm going to hide behind you.
I know.
Don't go down backwards!
Oh, man.
Oh!
Come on. I threw it soft. You got that, right?
Whoa!
Yeah! Somebody comes down with you.
Coming back.
No, somebody behind you. How am I supposed to hang on that stick? Jordan, just go down,
To the
chicken.
branch.
Yeah, you're a chicken. How do I hang on? He's a chicken.
I'll get that off my hand.
Already went down it.
Twice.
Shush. Go, Jordan. Go! He's a chicken. He's a chicken.
Just grab it on your way down.
Yeah!
Woo! Finally! Yay! Are you okay?